Hello, welcome to another question answer practice session. This is session number 2. If you want to look at the session number 1, click on the link in the I button. The core concepts that would be covered in this practice session is mechanism of hormone action. Make sure you have watched this video on mechanism of hormone action. If you missed it, click on the I button to get the video link. So let's begin. There would be 5 questions, there would be 5 minutes, and at the end of the session, please tell me how much number you have gotten through these questions, or how many you have done correctly. So question number 1 says identify X shown in following diagram. So here X is provided and they have said what is X. Options are nuclear receptor, magnesium ion influx, generation of second messenger, gene expression. The correct answer is generation of second messenger. So whenever a particular hormone binds to its membrane bound receptor, there are a lot of cellular level changes which is initiated by the activation of second messengers like calcium, IP3 or other messengers. So question number 2. This is another diagram type question which says identify A and B in the following diagram. So A and B are given and the options are A equal to nuclear receptor hormone complex, B equal to protein / enzyme, A equal to membrane bound receptor, B equal to DNA, A equal to steroid receptor, B equal to DNA, A equal to insulin receptor, B equal to protein or enzyme. And the correct option would be option A, because nuclear receptor and hormone complexes can actually bind to DNA and activate specific genes which ultimately lead to formation of specific proteins or mRNA that evokes the cellular response. Okay, question number 3 says identify the incorrect statement. Each receptor is specific to one hormone only and hence receptors are specific. Hormones exhibit their effect on target tissue by binding to specific receptors. So hormone receptors located in the cell membrane only. Steroid hormones regulate gene expression. So correct option would be option C. Here is question number 4, which is basically a column matching type question. It says peptide, polypeptide, protein hormones, so different kind of hormones in the left side and different kind of an example of those category of hormones in the right hand side. So we need to match the column. If you have matched it properly, you can pause the video and wait for it, and if you have matched it properly, this would be the correct option. Question number 5. Hormones which interact with dash named as X, example steroid hormones, iodothioneins, etc., mostly regulate Y or chromosome function by interaction of hormone receptor complex with the genome. So X is intracellular receptor, Y equal to gene expression, X is intracellular receptor, Y equal to protein aggregation, X equal to membrane bound receptor, Y equal to gene expression, X equal to membrane bound receptor, Y equal to mRNA degradation. The correct answer would be option A. So let me know how many of you have done all of these questions correctly. Please put it in the comment, and if you have any suggestions, plug in the comment. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.